Hello everybody, welcome. I am the old food guy. Now today I saw these up Aldi's. Loaded fries, cheese and gravy. £1.99p. New it says. Cheese and gravy. I've never tried that before, cheese and gravy. But I've seen them and I thought, well, why not give it a go? So let's open them up and see what they look like. Okay, that's it there. Cheese, I suppose, gravy, chips. Weird, aren't they? So how'd you cook these then? I want to do them in the oven. It's a bit weird really, you see that? It says fries only in the oven, sauce in the microwave. But it also says peel back the film lid for the fries. But if you peel back the film lid and put that in the oven, that's going to go in the oven and all. Unless you cut that off. Am I reading it wrong here? I don't know. Remove from the box and peel back the film lid over the fries compartment. Unless it means put the fries on a, does it say that? Place the fries on a baking tray. I'm thick, I am. There. So you've got to open the fries and put them on a baking tray. So I'll do the fries, I'll put them on a baking tray, I'll get them in the oven. When they're nearly done, I'll get them in the microwave and we'll give it a taste. See what happens. Right, there we go, they're all done. There's the chips, which I've got to show you, they've got the skins on as well. They do look a little bit anemic, but they are cooked. They're all cooked. And there's I had to cut the thing off to get it in the microwave and just put it in like that. So there's the gravy and the cheese. I've never had gravy and cheese before. So let's just try the chip first with the gravy. Oh, that's quite nice. That gravy's quite nice. Let's try one with the cheese. Oh, that's very cheesy. Well, let's stick it all on together. Then we'll have a proper taste test. It's a bit hot, this gravy. It's nice and lumpy. Lumpy, I mean thick. It's hot. Hot, 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 hot. Onions in it as well. Get some cheese on. Might have to get a spoon for this one. Doesn't look very appetising, does it? Or does it? That's it there, look. Cheese and gravy. I've never ever tried cheese and gravy before. There, well, let's give it a taste test. Right. Cheese and gravy. It's going to be the first time I've ever tried. Let's boil it up, Alice. Let's try it together and see what it's like. Oh, I don't know if I like that together. Try again. It's not bad, but I wouldn't do cartwheels over it. It's the cheese. I mean, I like chips and gravy. Cheese is it's a bit sickly. Tastes a bit like cheese spread. It is nice, but it's nothing to write home about. That cheese is very sickly. Well, there you go. Try it yourself, see what you think. I'm not too keen on it, I don't think I'll buy that again. But as I say, it's trial and error. I'll try it, see if I like it, I don't. Just let you know. You might like it, you might like the cheese. I'm not really too keen on it. But anyway, I am the Old Food Guy. Give us a like, give us a subscribe, leave us a comment. Till the next time, see you later. Bye bye.